So I wanted to make a video to show you. I'm going to make a smoothie. I got these cups with a little thing in there so it can help to mix the smoothie or the juice. I'm going to start making fruit smoothies with, you know, greens and fruits and vegetables, because I think that will also help me since I'm trying to lose weight. I haven't uploaded my third workout video. I already did it 2 days ago, not yesterday but the day before I did it, and I was super, and I still am, like super bloated, really swollen and bloated, and I don't feel like myself, you know. And that's been happening to me, which is why I decided I need to do something. I want to work out. I want to feel better about my health. I want to be in better shape, you know, and a lot of it has to do with my diet. I'm aware of that, but it's really hard, you know. It's really hard when you're so used to using or eating foods that you grew up with, comfort food, you know, that makes you happy, right? I don't like eating out a lot because you don't know how they're cooking that food, and a lot of reasons, right? It's not good for you, and you don't know how it's being cooked. And so if you eat good food, it's gonna make you feel good, you know. And a lot of the videos that I've been putting up, enchiladas, chilaquiles, you know, all that stuff, it feels good, and to me it's comfort food because it's what I ate growing up with my mom, you know, what we used to eat, you know, as a family. So then I cook that for my kids, and my kids like it too, and it makes me happy to see them happy. But I do want to change their eating habits, you know. In our family, in our culture, you know, Hispanic people, there is a lot of diabetes. There's a lot of health problems, high blood pressure, you know, a lot of maybe problems with heart, you know, heart conditions and stuff like that. So a lot of it can be reversed or cured by just eating better. We don't really need supplements if we're getting what we need from food, what we're eating. So I'm going to start this. I know it's not going to be easy, you know, but I want to share it with you guys. It might help somebody too. I was thinking about getting a juicer, but you know what, I've had juicers before, and I've had a blender before, and I always feel better when I do everything as a smoothie. I like the fiber. It feels good to me in my body. So I'm going to do now a smoothie, and I bought some beets, and I'm not gonna put beets in it today. I cut and saved the beets for later. I'm going to I cut the greens off of it, and I'm gonna use the tops, okay, the green leaves from the beets. I put beets, I put pineapple, and I put an orange. And the orange, I lightly peeled it because the white peel has a lot of good stuff for you, a lot of vitamins. So yeah, let me blend it, and I'll bring it over, I'll blend it, I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll tell you what it tastes like, okay? Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the beet leaves, and then orange and some pieces of pineapple. it's this pineapple, I peeled it with a knife, and it's really, really sweet. So that's why I'm not putting a lot of pineapple in there. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys is, yeah, that I haven't been feeling good. I am very bloated and everything. Oh, I put a lot of water in here. That's what I was going to tell you guys, that I put a lot of water in here to make this, because I'm not drinking soda. I have cut soda out, and I used to make like Kool-Aid for the kids. I mean, I'm gonna try little by little to make them drink juices like this, you know, because this is what's gonna be better for them. But yeah, I used to make Kool-Aid, and then I used to drink it, but then I just moved into water, because now that I've been working out, even Kool-Aid or anything sweet, I don't like it in my stomach. So that's good. And yeah, little by little I'm gonna be making the changes, and I'll be sharing it with you guys. But I really suggest, you know, try this. Try making a smoothie. Of course, the first thing is to do a little exercise. A little exercise that will make your body want healthier stuff. Because if you're doing exercise and then you go get a pizza or you get a burger, you're gonna feel sick, and you're gonna feel a lot of anxiety, and you're gonna want to keep eating because your body wants something else. So it just makes you want to eat because your body is looking for something else. But that something else is like nutrients that you're lacking, and you're working out, so you need to put more good stuff in your body. So that's what I'm learning. That's what I'm understanding. You know, I've always been really good about listening to my body. So I'm trying to educate myself more too. I'm watching nutritional videos and trying. You know, I've never had the beet leaf, so we'll see what it tastes like. They say that it has, you know, 10 times, 20 times, 30, 40 times more nutrients than the actual beet. That the beet is actually a lot of sugar, and that's why we eat the beets, because we like the taste of sugar. I was watching a video about a guy that talks about wild greens, and he explains a lot of the wild greens that are out in nature, and they have a lot of nutrients and that we don't even know about, you know. So I liked his video. I'll put a link and I'll share it with you guys too. Okay, so let's blend this up. Okay, so on my blend tech, I used the button for whole juice, and I put a lot of water that it was starting to come out from the top up here, but it turned out purple, I guess, because the leaves, you know, they look green, but they have like purple reddish veins, and this is what it looks like. So let's see what it tastes like. Remember, I put a whole orange and the leaves, and then I put a few pieces of pineapple. Not a lot, because it's really sweet. Okay, so let's see. And I'm getting ready to cook some chicken soup, and I'll put that video up soon later too. It's a video I'm gonna record. And so I'm gonna have my smoothie here with me to drink it as I cook. So let's see. It's a very different taste, but it's really, really good. The orange comes out, the orange, and the leaf gives it a really good flavor. I kind of want to say that it tastes like dirt, but no, that's like the flavor of beets, you know, but it's very subtle, it's very soft, it's not very pungent or bitter. The orange, I think the pineapple helped too. And the orange makes it very, like, it has a lot of fiber because of the orange. I really like it. I'm gonna enjoy this. So I really hope you guys try this. I really suggest it. I didn't see it anywhere. I just came up with it on my own, and it's really good. I really recommend it. I'll write on the bottom. I'll put the ingredients that I put. Okay, it was the beet leaves, a few pieces of pineapple, and a whole orange. I just peeled the orange to take the orange peel off. Remember, want to leave as much white as possible because that has very good nutrients for you. And a lot of water. Okay, guys, so I'll see you later. Take care. Comment below how, you know, if you're making changes in your lifestyle and they're helping you. Comment, share with me, let me know. You know, we can help each other out. So yeah, subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.